The Congress party has accused the BJP of adopting and repackaging initiatives from past Congress administrations to attract voters and maintain their political dominance. AICC Representative A. Chellakumar, expressing concerns about mounting national debt under the BJP government, highlighted the potential impact on ordinary citizens. During his visit to Tura to prepare for the upcoming Lok Sabha elections, Chellakumar discussed election preparations and emphasized the historical achievements of the Congress. He criticized the BJP for diverting funds intended for student loans to Reliance, claiming that over 54,000 crore rupees originally allocated for underprivileged students' education were redirected by the Modi government. Chellakumar also accused the government of appropriating the Congress's free cooking gas connection scheme for the underprivileged, now referred to as Modi Gas. The deadline for the potential Congress candidate for the Tura MP seat is January 19, 2024.
As an in-charge, this is my first visit to state of Meghalaya. From yesterday, I could be able to interact with many Congress senior leaders and also the bloc presidents and those who have contested the elections. They are all in a happy mood. They are all want to bring back the Congress regime in the state of Meghalaya. They are all they have assured that they all will unitedly work for the betterment of the Congress party for the coming parliament election. Whatever the direction given by the AICC, they are ready to carry out. And we have discussed about the booth committees, and we have discussed about the how to go and to propagate the Congress achievements. There are a lot of things. See, already Congress High Command has constituted the screening committee for the selection of the candidates, and AICC has formed a committee to negotiate with the India bloc. So that process is already they started the process. So they are in touch with all the alliance partners of the India bloc. So very soon we will come out, but this time we will declare the candidate in a early time itself, because already we have formed the screening committee. So very soon we will come out with the candidates and we'll start our campaign. The economy becomes in the doldrums. So it is always the Congress party with the foresight. We have always warned the government, and even now recently 146 MPs were suspended for what? Because when we raised the issue of security of this country, we were thrown out. Like that. Who has brought an allegation against the Adanis? Everything, all the allegations, we only brought it to the Assembly, Parliament. Congress party has brought it to the Parliament. But they are not allowing us to speak. Prime Minister in this 10 years, almost going to complete with 10 years, did he ever address a media press conference? He only knows how to speak, but he don't know how to give an answer to a question. He never, in the last 10 years of tenure, not even one press conference with an open house. And they are charging the Congress party that Congress is not performing well in the floor of the Parliament. You are not allowing us to raise our voices. You are not ready to give an answer in the Parliament. As a Prime Minister, how many days he has attended the Parliament? Look into that. He will come only to give a speech. He will not listen to the voices of the opposition. So even recently also we have asked the Home Minister to give an answer, reply for the security, even if the security is not there for the parliamentarians. What can we expect from the BJP government about the security of the nation?